In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Protonmail account. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Protonmail that prepares your account for recovery and lets you download your recovery kit. This is essential if you ever forget your password or lose access to your device. These steps happen after you're signed in, so if you can access your inbox right now, you're in the perfect place to set this up. Start by opening your browser and going to protonmail.com. Sign in as you normally would, so you're looking at your mailbox. The rest happens inside the account settings. Look to the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's the shortcut to your settings. Click it to open the settings panel. If you only see a compact view, choose all settings to expand the full dashboard. This gives you the complete list of options you'll need. Within the settings menu, find and select the section labeled Recovery. This is where Proton centralizes the tools that help you regain access if something goes wrong, while keeping your messages end-to-end encrypted. On the recovery page, click Safeguard Account Now. This starts Proton's guided protection flow. You're not changing your email or password here. You're enabling the safety nets that prove your identity later without exposing your private data. When that page loads, choose Download Your Recovery Kit. The recovery kit is a secure package generated for your account. Think of it as a sealed envelope you keep in a safe place, used only if you need to restore access. It's designed to help you recover without compromising the privacy of your mailbox. To finish, click Download. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. Make sure you can find it right away. If you don't see it, check your downloads folder and confirm the file name so you can locate it in the future. For best results, store the kit offline in a secure place. An encrypted USB drive or a trusted password manager's secure file storage are both good options. Avoid emailing it to yourself or leaving it in publicly shared folders. Label it clearly and consider keeping a second copy in a separate, equally secure location. A quick note, if you're currently locked out and can't reach your inbox to access settings, you'll need to use the recovery options shown on the Proton sign-in page. The steps in this video are about preparing your account so recovery is possible when you need it. That's it. You've set up recovery and safely downloaded your recovery kit, giving yourself a reliable path back into your account if the unexpected happens.